Yes, breaking right now, Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf says he will appeal a ruling on his coronavirus restrictions. It's a ruling with potential national implications, Peggy. A federal judge said the governor's restrictions on limiting gatherings and closing non-life sustaining businesses are unconstitutional.
That is right, David. 4 local counties, Butler, Washington, Fayette, and Greene, sued the state over those restrictions. We have live Team 11 coverage of this story. Channel 11's Joe Arena spoke with one of the lawyers behind this legal challenge.
A landmark decision today for 4 counties, including Butler County, where I'm standing, in favor of those counties. A judge just ruled that the governor's actions concerning stay-at-home orders and business closures were unconstitutional. Tonight, we're learning why this federal decision could be one felt across the country.
All of those people together had the courage to stand up to what they considered to be unconstitutional actions taken by the governor and the Secretary of Health in Pennsylvania.
And today, 4 counties in western Pennsylvania won that argument. Attorneys for Butler County commissioners and business owners spoke with us today on the decision made by United States District Judge William Stickman, finding that the governor's business shutdown and stay-at-home orders were unconstitutional. In his conclusion, Judge Stickman cited the Constitution, saying that, quote, actions at issue were undertaken with the good intention of addressing a public health emergency. But even in an emergency, the authority of government is not unfettered. The liberties protected by the Constitution are not fair weather freedoms, in place when times are good, but able to be cast aside in times of trouble.
The Constitution still prevails, and the Constitution doesn't say that you will have these rights unless we have COVID-19, or you will have these rights unless we have a war.
We also reached out to Allegheny County officials to see if they had a comment about Judge Stickman's opinion. The county told me they do not have a response at this time, but were aware of the opinion. Regardless of a response to this opinion, these 2 attorneys say this could be something states across the country eventually take into consideration.
It's a case that will affect initially people in Pennsylvania, but ultimately could affect people across the United States.
In Butler County, Joe Arena, Channel 11 News.
All right, Joe, thank you very much. And we told you Governor Wolf plans to appeal today's ruling by that federal judge. The governor's office also pointed out that, quote, today's ruling is limited to the business closure order and the stay-at-home orders issued in March and were later suspended, as well as the indoor and outdoor gathering limitations. This ruling does not impact any of the other mitigation orders currently in place, including the mask order and worker safety orders. We have links to the other orders the state says are not impacted on our WPXI News app.